Welcome to all to my English class. Today we will read adjective part 2. Adjective part 2. First you listen the rhyme and the words written in bold letters are adjective. You mark it and give the attention. This is a rhyme. Okay? Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin. This is a fine rhyme and you mark it.
Chubby cheeks, dimpled chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet is tattoo. Yes, yes, yes.
You mark it. The rhyme contains 6 lines, and in that 6 lines, there are 7 adjectives are there. Chubby, dimpled, rosy, curly, fair, blue, lovely. These are the adjective that comes before noun. So the adjective always comes before a noun. For this, these are the describing words. You mark it and remember it. In the last class, already we have discussed what is adjective and types of adjective. What is adjective? Adjective expresses the quality of a noun or pronoun, or all the describing words are called adjective. Then types of adjective. We know there are 3 types of adjectives. The first one is attributive, second is predicative, third one is postpositioned. These are the kind of adjective. Nouns as adjective. Nouns as adjective. Suppose I wrote a stone building, Science College. We know noun is a naming word. Stone is a naming word. Stone is a noun. Building is also noun. Science College. College is a noun. Science also noun. But when a noun comes before another noun, a noun comes before another noun, they function as classifier, they function as adjective. Otherwise known as the classifier. Suppose noun, stone also noun, but stone here we express the stone functions as an adjective. Science in this position function as an adjective. How the college? Science college. How the building? It is stone building. Another example. Lighthouse. Lighthouse. House noun. Light also noun. Noun. But when a noun comes before another noun, they function as adjective. That adjective is called classifier. Classifier. Okay. Then question comes, what is classifier? What is classifier? When some nouns some nouns which can be used before another noun, but they function as adjective is called classifier. Okay, the example stone building, science college, lighthouse. Okay, yeah. So a classifier is a noun is a noun which functions as an adjective. Which function is called classifier. This is all about classifier, a stone building, science college, and lighthouse. Okay, if we separate both, stone is also noun, building also noun, science is also noun, college is also noun, light also noun, house is noun. But when a noun comes before another noun, the first noun functions as an adjective. Adjective is called classifier. Now we will know adjective ending in ing or ed. Adjectives ending in ing or ed. We can make adjective by adding ed or ing. We can form. First we will know how you can make adjective by adding ing. An adjective ending in ing describes that something is an adjective ending in ing describes that something is continuing. Example, suppose flowing river. Suppose flowing river. Running was. Flowing river means the river is flowing. That means it is continuing. Running was. That means the was is running. That means it is continuing. Something is continuing. Okay. In sentences we can make I spent the remaining days happily. I spent the remaining days happily. By this way, we can make adjective by adding ing. Going river, running bus, or in sentence, I spent the remaining days. I spent remaining days happily. Now, you will get idea by adding ed. By adding ed. Now, we can form adjective adding ed in a word. Adding ed in a word. Adjectives ending in ed. Adjectives ending in ed describes how a person feels or condition of a thing. We can add ed in a adjective to form adjectives. Adjectives ending in ed describes how a person feels. How a person feels or condition of a thing. Condition means state. State. But avastha. State or feels. Example. Excited man attend boys, or in sentence Mohan looked astonished. Mohan looked astonished when he listened the news. Okay. Mohan looked. It is subject. It verb. Astonished is adjective. Mohan looked astonished when he listened the news. By this way, we can make adjective by adding ed. This is all about.